Hello guys. Today I'm going to tell you 5 simple tips for planning a perfect trip. Make sure to keep in mind. Step 1. Define your travel goals and budget. Before diving into the details of your trip, it's crucial to establish clear goals and a realistic budget. Consider the purpose of your travel, whether it's relaxation, exploration, or a mix of both. Determine the destinations that align with your interests and activities you'd like to experience. Simultaneously, set a budget that includes accommodation, transportation, meals, activities, and any miscellaneous expenses. Defining your goals and budget provides a solid foundation for the rest of your planning process. Step 2. Choose the right destination and duration. With your goals and budget in mind, select a destination that aligns with your preferences and interests. Consider factors such as weather, cultural attraction, and local cuisine. Research the destination's safety and any travel restrictions. Once you've chosen a location, decide on the duration of your trip. Ensure your itinerary allows for a balanced mix of exploration and relaxation, and consider factors like jet lag and travel time when planning your stay. Step 3. Create a detailed itinerary. A well-thought-out itinerary is the key to maximizing your travel experience. Research and list the must-visit attractions, landmarks, and activities at your chosen destination. Prioritize your preferences and create a daily schedule that allows for flexibility. Include travel time between locations and factor in downtime to prevent burnout. If you're traveling with others, involve them in the planning process to ensure everyone's interests are considered. Utilize online tools and travel apps to streamline the itinerary creation process. Step 4. Book accommodations and transportation. Once your itinerary is in place, it's time to secure accommodations and transportation. Research hotels, resorts, or vacation rentals that fit your budget and preferences. Consider factors such as location, amenities, and guest reviews. Book accommodations well in advance, especially during peak travel seasons. Simultaneously, arrange transportation, whether it's flights, trains, or rental cars. Look for the best deals and consider factors like travel insurance and cancellation policies for added peace of mind. Step 5. Prepare and pack smart. The final step involves preparing for your trip and packing smartly. Check passport and visa requirements and ensure you have any necessary vaccinations. Create a packing list based on your destination, duration, and planned activities. Pack versatile clothing, essential toiletries, and any special items you may need. Consider the climate and pack accordingly. Keep important documents like travel insurance and identification organized and easily accessible. Before departing, double-check reservations and ensure you have all necessary travel information. By following this simple 5-step guide, you can plan the perfect trip with confidence and ease. From defining your travel goals to preparing and packing smartly, each step plays a crucial role in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. Embrace the adventure, stay organized, and make the most of your journey with these practical tips for planning the perfect trip. And that's it for today.